welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. My name is Julie. I'm a stay-at-home mom of 3 that is also almost 20 weeks pregnant. I am drinking a cup of coffee and we have a lot to get done today. Today's going to be a get it all done video. I'm gonna throw some dinner in the crock pot and I will film that in this video. It's going to be an easy chicken and dumpling recipe. Football season has begun, so it has been crazy, but my mom does have my youngest, Grant, who just turned 3 years old. If you haven't watched that vlog, we put a little clip of him turning 3 and having cake and him getting a present and all that. Was super cute. But yeah, so my mom has him. So I have the other 2 kids home today. They're pretty self-sufficient. Paisley is watching cartoons and playing with her makeup in her room. Weston has been on and off of his 4-wheeler and playing Minecraft and whatnot. So I am going to go ahead and get dinner in the crock pot, and then we've got to get going. I want to get the house clean, and then once the house is clean, I have shirts to make. If you do not know, I own a small business. I sell custom t-shirts and things like that. So I have shirts to make, and then later tonight we have to get up in the attic to put a few things away, and then I'm also gonna pull out my fall decor. Now that won't be in this video, but there will be a fall clean and decorate with me. I think I'm going to film it beginning of next week, and it will be up later next week for you, so stay tuned for that. I am ready for the fall content. It has been getting a little cooler here in upstate New York, so I'm starting to feel inspired and excited. I'm ready for fall. So with that being said, let's jump in. Let's go ahead and make some chicken and dumpling in the crock pot, get that going, and then get started on chores. Cheers. All right guys, this is everything you're going to need for this recipe. I have 3 chicken breasts, 1 onion. I prefer like fresh carrots or even frozen carrots, but all we have are canned, so I'm just gonna make that work. Some peas, a thing of chicken broth, bay leaves, thyme, 2 cans of cream of chicken soup, celery salt, oregano, salt, and pepper. And it also called for celery, but I don't have that, so we're just making it work with some celery salt. And just follow the recipe, or you can just watch me make it quick. Let's go ahead and get this all together. You guys, this stuff smells so good. It just smells like fall. So I have a leaves candle burning, and I just sprayed the kitchen down. I sprayed the table. I went in the living room and wiped everything down, and now I'm gonna go into the bathroom and wipe down the bathroom, clean the toilet, and then vacuum and mop. And my cleaning to-do list for the week will be done. I'm not going super crazy because I'll have my sister's girls tomorrow, and it's really not that bad. So I'm gonna get that stuff done and then go work on shirts. So I decided to clean up the kitchen. You guys know I always clean up my kitchen first, and then I worked my way into the bathroom, got the bathroom all cleaned. Do you guys dread cleaning the bathroom as much as I do? Ugh, it's my least favorite chore. And then I vacuumed the entire house, and after I vacuum, I'll go ahead and mop, and you'll see all of that. But I just wanted to hop on here and just say thank you guys so much for all your love and support on my channel and for watching my videos. You have no idea how much it truly means to me. You help my family out in more ways than you know, and we are just so truly grateful. We have been very blessed this year with me becoming monetized on YouTube, and also my t-shirt business really picking up. It's just been such a good blessing in our family, and I am so grateful. So anyway, enough mush. Let's go ahead and get cleaning.
Summer's gotta end. Listen to that ocean breeze, feel it sand under our feet, but summer's gotta end. I can see that look in your eyes, trying to rewind, really last night. And there's no good in saying goodbye, but I just can't lie to you. Now's the time to tell you that I ain't gonna hold you back. Let go and catch you in where we could go. I will be the one first love that you still be thinking of. You gotta take a chance, so don't say no. You know where to go. 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 Back in the reality, you'll be far away from me, 'cause summer's gotta end. Close your eyes for one last kiss, a falling star, so make a wish, but summer's gotta end. I can see that look in your eyes, trying to rewind, really last night. And there's no good in saying goodbye, but I just can't lie to you. Now's the time to tell you that I ain't gonna hold you back. Let go and catch you in where we could go. I will be the one first love that you still be thinking of. You gotta take a chance, so don't say no. You know where to go. You know where to go. You know where to go.
All right, the house is all cleaned up. Dinner is almost finished in the crock pot. I will show you what it looks like quick before I head out to go get Grant. So this is what it looks like. And I put it on high just until I get back so the biscuits cook. But yes, everything is cleaned up, and I'm gonna go pick up our little guy. Let's go. I don't know how I'm supposed to carry all of this. It's pouring rain. Oh my gosh. Why am I carrying the pads? Why am I the one?